Trade Monopoly. Place in a lasting effect row. Draw one community card and place under Trade Monopoly. Any community cards that match the drawn card's color and are moved back into the neutral area from any row will move directly to this row. So, I'm going to play it on my loyalist. So I'm going to draw one, place under it, we get red. Alright, so let's say we skip forward a turn, and now it's my turn so I can show you how this kind of works. So, I have a couple options if I want to use Trade Monopoly. So I could take this 11 and I could just minus 2, 1, 2 here, but that's going to trigger Trade Monopoly and it's just going to come right back. Or I could also take this 5 and use the +1 red, pull this 13 out. Now that moves back into the neutral area, which is going to trigger Trade Monopoly. And of course that can happen from either player, but it just has to be already in a row, moved back into the neutral area, and then that will then it'll move straight to Trade Monopoly as long as it matches the color.